In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create user stories in FigJam. By the end, you'll know how to start a FigJam board, bring in a user journey map template, and turn what you learn into clear, actionable user stories without your board getting messy. First, head to figma.com and log in with your account. Once you're in, look to the top right and select FigJam to create a new whiteboard. If you already have a board you've been working on, you can open a recent file instead. Either way works, as long as you're in a FigJam canvas. With your board open, we'll bring in a ready-made structure to guide the process. Open the Templates section and use the search bar to look for User Journey Map. When you find it, click Add Template, and it will drop a complete framework onto your canvas. This template gives you lanes for what users do, what they think and feel, what they want to accomplish, where they get stuck, and where you can improve the experience. Start by tailoring the template to your product or scenario. In the User Actions lane, write the steps a typical user takes in order, from the moment they begin to the moment they finish. Keep each action short and specific so the flow is easy to scan. In the Goals lane, capture what the user is trying to achieve at each step. This clarifies why the step matters. In the Thoughts lane, jot down what might be going through the user's mind. Writing these as brief quotes can help keep them realistic and grounded. In the Pain Points lane, list the friction, confusion, or delays that show up. Finally, in the Opportunities lane, describe how you could reduce that friction or make the steps smoother and more delightful. As you fill this out, think in terms of user stories. As a type of user, I want to action so that I can goal. You don't need to rewrite the whole board that way. Instead, use this phrasing to make sure each action and opportunity stays user-centered and measurable. To keep your board tidy, use sticky notes for each idea, one idea per note. Color code them. For example, one color for actions, another for pain points, and another for opportunities. So patterns jump out. Keep notes brief, align them neatly, and group related notes under the same step. If the board starts to feel crowded, zoom in on a single stage, cluster the notes, and add short labels so collaborators can follow your logic at a glance. When you're done, you'll have a clear journey map that naturally translates into well-formed user stories and a prioritized list of improvements.